Oh, how about naman in naming acids? So, ang mga acids po natin ay mga hydrogen containing yan. Ano? Kaya sila ay madaling ma-recognize kasi meron silang hydrogen and an ion, which always comes first. And they have no charge. Wala silang charge. Okay? Katulad na lang ni HCl at ni H2SO4. Sila ay mga acids na may hydrogen at may anions. At wala silang charge. Si HCO3 ay hindi daw acid. No, kasi meron siyang hydrogen at an ion, pero siya ay may charge. So, si HCO3 ay isang polyatom. Okay? Acid and base, dalawang step para mag-naming ng acid. So, we have acids based on an ion whose name end in "ide." Okay? When an ion ending in "ide" becomes an acid, its name changes, its suffix changes from "ide" to "ite." It gains prefix hydro. Again, kapag naging acid na yan, again, ang acid ay merong hydrogen, no? Kung siya ay originally ide, pag nilagyan mo ng hydrogen, magiging "ite" at prefix na hydro. Katulad nito, chloride na ion becomes, kung siya ay ang chlorine na nilagyan mo ng hydrogen, naging acid na tuloy siya, naging HCl, eh di hydrochloric acid. Si S2 na sulfide ion, nilagyan mo ng hydrogen, naging acid tuloy, naging hydrosulfuric acid. We must add enough hydrogens and have a charge. May sinabi dito, we add two hydrogen ions because the sulfide ions has a charge of 2. We must add enough hydrogen ions which have a charge of positive 1. To cancel out the charge on the sulfide, only one hydrogen will give us. Ayan. So um, kapag kunyari ay naging ganito naman, hindi na yan acid kasi meron na yang charge. Okay? Acids based on an ion whose name in "ate" or "ites." When an ion ending in "ate" becomes acid, magiging "ete." And it does not gain a prefix. So, wala namang prefix. Okay? Hindi katulad nung kanina na meron siyang si ion. Pag kay "ide", may hydro. Pag kay "ate" daw, magiging "it" na lang. Magiging "it" na lang, pero walang prefix. Tandaang mabuti. Magiging "it", walang prefix. Patulad na lang na to. Pero if already contains a prefix na "per", retain nyo lang. Okay? Retain lang ang prefix. When an ion ending naman in "ite" ay magiging acid, magiging "use". Kung si "ate" ay magiging "it", si "ite" magiging "use". Okay? Retain ulit ang prefix. So, katulad nito, ano ito? Chlorate. Nilagdagan mo ng H para maging acid, naging chloric acid siya. Wala kang dinagdag, yung 8 ginawang ik lang. Yung 8 ginawang ik. Pero yung perchlorate at yung perchlorate mo naman, remain pa din. Ano? Remain na may per, ginawa lang ik. Dinagdagan ng word na acid. Si chlorite naman, again, ang I, ay di naging us. Kaya siya ay naging chlorous acid. At pag hypochlorite, retain yung hypo, yung ay gagawing us, hypochlorous acid. So, ito, pwede din tong diagram na to. Ayan. Mas madali nyo rin maintindihan. Okay. So, ganyan lang po mag-naming ng compound.